Good morning. A short video this morning about performance anxiety and the thoughts that it can lead to. The damage, particularly, that it can do to self-esteem. So you may find yourself asking questions such as, am I too old? Have I got something wrong with me? What if I can't please my partner? I'm not good enough. I don't really feel like a man. So you can see that these types of thoughts, when they're stacked and when they happen almost every day, it's really tough, right? It can be really tough. We can be really tough on ourselves. So what I'd like to share with you is a very simple tool that can help you to start changing that. And why is that important? Well, let me ask you this question. On the journey to getting this fixed and sorted, do those thoughts help? Are they kind? And the answer is no. Those extra thoughts don't help to fix the situation, and they're not kind. So I'm going to share one thing that I started doing that made a really big difference, and that is daily gratitude journaling. Okay, and I'm going to break it down into a step to make it very easy. Now, is this the thing that fixes erectile dysfunction? No, of course. This is not the thing that fixes erectile struggles, but it makes the journey a damn sight easier, because we're not smashing ourselves with all this guilt and shame every single day. So what I'd like you to do is each morning to write down one thing that you're grateful for about yourself or about the day. And the next day, write down another one thing. And when you write something down the next day, just revisit what you wrote the day before. And just want you to keep doing that. That's it. Okay? This helps to start creating new patterns in the mind. We start to look out for what we are more grateful and appreciative for. And does that help on the journey? Yes, because we're more... we just feel lighter, we feel more appreciative of the things we do have around us that are working great. Because it can be really easy when we're facing a difficult situation to focus on everything negative, feel like everything's going to shit. When that's not true, there's parts of your life that are going really well, and it's important to recognize those. Okay, so that's it for now. Gratitude journaling daily. Step 1 is to write down each day one thing that you're appreciative for or grateful for about yourself or about the world. And step 2 is the next day, do the same thing and just reread what you wrote the day before. Keep on doing that. Thank you.